Hey guys, so just got the truck turned off. As you can tell, it's really quiet. One of my guilty pleasures. So my student is going home. Be a few days. I might go do some fishing. Something. I don't know yet. If I do, I'll let you guys know. Oh crap, that reminds me, I want to grab that out of my side box. Anyway, so be going home, be home for a few days, which is gonna be nice. My student has his 50 hours done, so when we get back, we're gonna be going team. He has a few issues. I might talk about that on a video, not sure yet, just kind of relaxing right now. But something that's really kind of interesting, there's a hole in the back wall of my truck. You know, I had some people say, well, they think it's a bullet hole, and it could be. I doubt it, because there's no hole in my back wall. It's just on the tractor. So I'm going to go with it's not a hole. I mean, it's not a bullet hole. It didn't go through all the way through, but it's all the way through the sheet metal. And yeah, I don't think it's a bullet hole. I think it's more like it just went through the, got picked up by the tire. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, what I'm talking about is right there. So, they got this tape on it, and this tape is really good, but you can kind of see where it's at. Now, I don't think it's a bullet hole. I think something got caught on this tire and got flung up there. As you can see, as I'm sitting right here by the tire, it's kind of off to the side. So I think that's what happened. And then the other thing I got going on is radiator's losing fluid, and it's losing fluid, and boy, it's really getting hot in this truck. It's losing fluid, and then my coolant reservoir has a crack in it, so it's not holding fluid either. So they're gonna get that replaced and do some other, that was slow-mo. Get some other work done, and that'll be the end of that. So I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff, and then I'll bring you guys back once I get to my truck. I'll wear my the cam on my way out, so you guys get to hear my truck run. I love that thing. So yeah, hang tight, hold on, and I'll be right back with you with the power of video editing. All right guys, so here's my truck. Just doing a quick light check. Yeah, listen to that. Yeah, hell yeah. All right, it's all working. Got my fishing pole in here, laptop's back there, headset, cup, wallet. All right, so time to go. God, I love the way this thing sounds. Right over there is the car that I saw that had the bird nest on it. For those that have been watching for my channel for a while, probably saw that video. So this is the Swift terminal right there, guys. Swift, Lancaster, Texas. Oh yeah, I need to take the tracking off of me, because I don't want you guys to see where I live, ideally. So I'm gonna pull over here to the side real quick. Take that off. It's on my phone. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw me put in my password on my phone. If you did, I'm going to take that out, because stop tracking. I don't want you guys to know what my password is either. So, oh sweet, I got radio today. The radio, all right, so the radio in my truck, like a country song, works some of the time, and some of the time it doesn't. It's kind of annoying. I want to put a whole radio system in here. I just haven't yet. All right, so truck's warmed up a little bit. Got good oil flow. She's awake. I love this thing. All right, so the RPM gauge is probably not right, y'all. Actually, it's reading right now. Sweet. The RPM gauge is finicky on this one. Sometimes it's wrong. Most of the times it's actually wrong. Right now it's actually reading right. There's a chip that's on the back of it that fails, and so you got to reflow or put a new one on or whatever. And you know what, I just haven't done it yet because it really doesn't bother me too much. Boy, I get up to 30 quick. All right, so when I get it up to the highway, I'm gonna kind of let it sit down for a second. We're gonna bog up there, and then I'm just gonna jam on it, guys, because I love this truck. This mirror needs to come in a little bit. Oh, using the wrong one. There we go. You know, there's actually a repo company that I used to work at right around the corner. I think I might actually, nah, I'm not gonna stop by. I wanna go home. I should stop by there one of these days and just say hi, because I kind of miss working there. I like the work, but the pay just wasn't enough. And I was pretty good at it. I was actually really good at it. Alright, so. Alright, hey guys, I have no idea what happened there, but my GoPro, once again, had stopped working or glitched or whatever. I think it's recording now, but I heard it go boop, 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 or whatever sounds it makes. Man, that was a good on-ramp video though. Hell, I went from like regular speed and I got up there pretty quick. I forgot what the speed limit is here though. I think I'm going to speed limit anyway. I'm not going faster than anybody. But yeah, that sounds nice. So this is 35 north right here, and I used to go up this road all the time when I did repo. And you know, there's Dallas right there. You know, when you're coming through this area at night and you're driving up this way, it's very pretty. It's very, very pretty. I don't like the sound of things rattling inside the truck. There we go. That's probably better. There's actually a lot of work I'd love to do to this truck. I just haven't been able to get around to doing it yet. So, anyway, I talked to the student just before putting the truck up. So we're probably gonna get back here, like I was saying, Friday night. Today is Wednesday. He got his 50 hours done. We did his 50-hour review, all that kind of good stuff. I'll probably grab a packet and just kind of go through it with you guys, so that way you just kind of have an idea, you know, when you come through Swift, you know, the training process or the mentor training process. And that'll be fairly easy to do. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this video right here. I'm not really sure what else to talk about. If you guys have any questions, post them down in the comment section, and that way I can write them out and kind of talk about them when I'm going down the road or whatever. I'm really surprised at how many people have been watching some of my backing up videos. I will be getting some more of those, hopefully with some drone footage. The weather has gotten a little bit better. We've had a lot of rain, so I wasn't able to really get some of the footage I wanted. But hopefully that will change. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, and yeah, I got a lot coming. Thank you.